Hi there, I am Mrs. Guthrie and I'm going to walk you through how to build videos using Flip. And you can find this information in the Schoology folder. In addition, maybe your teacher has printed this off for you. But for those of you that want to walk through using a video, this is it for you. So once you've clicked on the record button, you will come to the camera options. And here you can see that I am automatically defaulted to video. So I can click create a video and I can start with backgrounds. So I can pick different backgrounds that I may want to use. And I can slide over here to find a different background. So once I find the background that I'm interested in using, say I want the comic one, you'll notice there it is. I can then move myself where I want to be. I can go to the corner, go back to the center, I can go back here, and then I can also move myself completely if I'd like. If I want to change the background, that's just a little too much for me. I can pick a different one, and I can always just upload a picture directly from my computer. So I can have a blurred one. It's whatever I'd like to find that I would like to have. So I'm going to go ahead and use this background. And I'm going to put myself down here in the corner. And so this, now I can start to build my recording. You'll notice that my teacher has set my timing for 2 minutes. I can add text. I can decide on the kind of font I want, and it changes. See how I can do that? I can decide on the color. I can do a little bit of a shaded, and then I can also add a background to it if I decide I want to have a background to it. And I can click on a color and I can do it like that. And then I can move things the way I want them. I can move them wherever I'd like them to be on my board. Then the next thing that I can do is I can come back over here. I could use drawing. I can come over here and find different stickers, and here you can see all the different kinds of stickers. I can do lots of different stickers. I can also do a search. And I can put my sticker wherever I'd like it to go. I can do GIFs, same kind of thing. I can do different filters, just like you do on your phone. And I'm going to come back to boards, and then I can also upload a photo. So this is going to build the background for my first clip. If I'm making a video and I want more than one clip, or I just want one clip, then I'm building my background. I will click the record button here in the center. You'll notice that it starts to count down. I'm recording myself. I'm recording my video. I can point to different things. I can talk. I'm recording my video. When I'm all said and done, I can click stop. And then I can retake the video if I want. If I don't like it, I can retake it at any time. I'm not going to click next yet because I want to show you some of the other things in it. But when I'm ready, I'll click next. Some of the other things I want to show you is I can go ahead and add a sticky note here where I can type in my script. But if I want a longer script, say I'm making a nice long PSA, I can click on these ellipses here and I can create a teleprompter. And what the teleprompter does is works just as if I were a newscaster. I'm going to come through and type it, and it'll read across there for me so I can be looking at the audience. This will and then to get rid of it, just click off the teleprompter. This is also where I can upload clips. Maybe I have videos that I've made on my phone or on my school computer, or I made them on my phone, I emailed them to me, I downloaded them onto my computer. I can upload a clip right there. So I can add clips in as well. I can do that as well. So the next thing I want to make sure I show you is audio. Is if you are going to do a kind of like a podcast, you can have different pictures and you're not going to be seen. You don't want to be seen. You just want to do different pictures. That's going to be your audio. And then create will allow you to create a 1 to 5 second little clip that you can add to it. So when I have everything that I want, I can go ahead. Those are the different options. The other thing I want to show you that is kind of a cool one is the board. And what the board will do is it'll let your screen be split. So say I want to have a background board, or I want a board like this. Then I'm over here on this side and I can go ahead and add things that I'm going to show on this side over here. I can type things, I can add, I can draw. So it's kind of like I'm having a 2-screener. I could add a picture or a diagram and go through those diagrams. Once I have it the way that I want it, then I'm going to go ahead and click next. I'm recording myself. I'm recording my video. I Notice can point what's to different happening. things. I can talk. It's letting me preview it. If I like it, go ahead. But here's where I can also do some editing. I can trim. I can split it where I want to put I want to add a clip inside there. I can delete the clip altogether, and then I can add music. If I add music, it's adding music that's built in here that's going to play all the way on the background. Then I may want to add a whole other clip. If I want to add a whole other clip, I can click Add Clip, and I'm starting all over. Okay, so if I add clip, I'm starting all over. I'm going to add another clip, and I can go ahead and change the board I want to. I can add other pictures if I want to. Click that record. Adding more things, adding another clip, stop. Then I click next again. I'm recording myself. Here you go. I have recording 2 my of video. them. I can point to different things. I can talk. So now I have 2. Again, I can clip. I can do what I want to do with it. If I wanted to do a screen recording, because I want to record what's happening on my screen, I can do one of 2 things. I can click on this plus, and I can do screen record. Or remember when we had those 3 dots the very first time? That was one of those options. And remember what screen record will allow me to do. It will say, okay, which screen do you want me to do? I'm going to click the screen that I'm interested in. I am now going to record, show different things on my screen. Maybe I am modeling of something from my math class. Maybe I'm modeling something or reviewing something that is on the internet. Whatever I'd like to do, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then stop recording. And now you'll see I have another lap.
Recording my video.
When I'm all said and done, I have another one. I'm all said and done. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. I'm done. It's the way I want it. I'm going to give it my name. I can edit my cover. So I can either upload a photo, I can select a different frame. Maybe I want to select a different frame. I can do a selfie if I'd like, if it's appropriate, thinking about what it's for. When I'm all said and done, I click post the topic. It's going to prepare the topic, and now it is visible to those that either one are in the class, or if you're just creating the video for someone or someone else, now you can share the video, get that, create a link, copy that link, and you're all good to go. And it's that simple.